In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Dota 2 on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The reason why it's so simple to do this is because Dota 2 is actually fully supported on Mac OS. So if you go over to the Steam store, there's always going to be an indicator of which games run on Windows, Linux, Steam OS, Mac, and so on. And as you can clearly tell by the Apple icon here, Dota 2 is going to work flawlessly on any Mac device. Of course, depending on the hardware that you have, the chip that is installed, the performance might not be the best, but you will still be able to run the game, and all that it comes down to is downloading it from Steam. Afterwards, you can do tweaks and optimizations to make it run better. So if you go over to the system requirements, they have a tab dedicated to Mac OS. You need a minimum of macOS 10.15 or newer, a dual core from Intel, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and a metal-capable GPU. Now, of course, these are very outdated, and as long as you have a modern Mac, you should be able to tackle them no problem. If you have never used Steam, you will download it from the website, so click on the option here, Install Steam, log in with your account through the desktop app, click on Play Game, and you can download it. What I recommend to minimize any sort of problems is to right-click the game, go over to Properties, and under the General category, disable the Steam Cloud. This isn't going to be a definitive fix, but it can help troubleshoot specific issues and sluggish performance. Besides this, there's not much else to do. Inside of the game, you can access the settings once more, and under Video, make sure that you reduce most of the rendering options if you are encountering problems when trying to run Dota. So you can copy these settings and then use basic settings here to enhance the performance. It is going to be at the cost of looks and quality, but of course, if the game is smoother and nicer to play, the experience is going to be much better. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.